Welcome to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our brand new units. This is a 2019 NX300 F Sport Series 2 in the Obsidian Black finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. Some of the features on this vehicle include premium triple beam LED headlamps, F Sport front grille, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lamps, front and rear park assist sensors, headlamp washers, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, keyless entry with push start ignition, driver seat memory seating, power folding and auto dimming side mirrors, power adjustable front seats, automatic high beams, blind spot monitor switch, power rear lift gates, heated steering wheel, center locking differential, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, hands-free controls, lane keep assist with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control with pre-collision system, multimedia display with navigation and backup camera, dual zone climate control, heated and ventilated front seats, 10 speaker Lexus premium audio system, drive mode select, electronic parking brake, power moonroof, red and black interior, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury costs of ownership. To find out more about this vehicle, please visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or call us to schedule a test drive at 403-296-9600.